What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, Oxman Garage. My name is Philip. If you haven't visited the channel yet, please consider subscribing to the channel. This is going to be a very short video. It's going to be before and after for me installing the Boomba transmission adapter and the shifter cable bracket bushing. So I'm going to do, I have it in the other video that has it, before and after, but I'm going to put them side by side to just show you what it really looks like. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
And let's check out to see what the throw is. So that's first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So that would give us a baseline of, once again, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and then obviously reverse. Alright, moment of truth. Oh, that throw is crazy. That's way different. Oh, and it's heavier because the adapter's weight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And reverse. Wow, that's so different. I really like that. Wow, that made a difference.